Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Last week we have learned the first part of the lesson number 13 of Durusul Lughatul Arabiya, book 1. Today, inshallah, we will learn part B, second part of the lesson. So what we will learn in this lesson? In this part of the lesson, we will learn plural of hiya. Hiya means she, and she is a pronoun for singular third person singular feminine. Third person singular feminine, we use she, we use hiya. And plural of hiya in Arabic is hunna. Hunna means they. Hunna, they. Hum ikhawati. Hum is a plural of huwa. Hum is a plural of huwa. For muzakkar, for masculine. Hum ikhawati. They are my brothers. They are my brothers. The next is Wahunna akhawati. Hum ikhwati. They are my brothers. Wahunna akhawati. And they are my sisters. Hunna, they. This is for feminine. Akhawati, my sisters. They are my brothers and they are my sisters. The plural of ha. Ha is a possessive pronoun of hiya. Ha is a possessive pronoun of hiya. Ha is the possessive pronoun of hiya. It means her. The plural of ha is also hunna. The plural of ha is also hunna. It means there. Hunna means there also. So when hunna is used as a possessive pronoun, we will translate there. Okay. Note that the pronoun for they and there are the same. So they and there is same here. You see, and one more example, hunna zamilati. Hunna zamilati, they are my friends, they are my colleagues. So hunna feminine. Humma zamilati, they are my colleagues, my classmates. Wahaza baytuhunna, and this is their house. Baytuhunna, this is possessive pronoun. Baytuhunna is possessive pronoun, their house. So this is a between the pronoun and the possessive pronoun. This is separate pronoun. We call them separate pronoun, and this one we call them attached pronoun or possessive pronouns. So when it is used as a separate pronoun, we will translate they. And when it is used as a possessive pronoun, then we will translate there. Hunna zamilati, they are my classmate. Wa haza baytuhunna, and this is their house. Their house. So there is possessive pronoun here. The second thing we will learn, we already have learned that the plural of hazihi. The plural of hazihi is haulai. We have learned in the beginning of this lesson. it is the same for the both masculine and the feminine. Haulai is same for the hazihi and for the haza. Plural of haza is also haulai, and plural of hazihi is also haulai. The next we will learn in this part. In the part A, we have learned about zahabu. Zahabu, they went. Masculine, they went. And feminine of zahabu is zahabna. Feminine of zahabu is zahabna. So zahabu, they went. Zahabna, they went also. Zahabna mean also they went. They feminine went. Aina ikhwatuka. Aina ikhwatuka. Where are your brothers? Where are your brothers? Zahabu ilal jamiati. Zahabu. They went. They masculine went. They masculine went. Ilal jamiati, to the university. They went to the university. Wa aina akhawatuka. And where are your sisters? Akhawatuka, your sisters. Zahabna ilal maktabati. Zahabna, we are using for the feminine. Feminine plural. Feminine plural. Zahabna. Zahabna ilal maktabati. They went to the library. Number 4, we have learned the formation of sound feminine plural. Sound feminine plurals we have learned in the beginning of this lesson. So what we will learn here, in the pronunciation of a before the ta is lengthened. This a we make it long. Muslimat, this is muslimatun. We simply will say it muslimatun. But when it is a plural, muslimatun, we will prolong this one. Matun. This is a sound plural of feminine. This is a sound plural of the feminine. What we do it? This is a closed ta. This is a closed ta, and we change into open ta. Closed ta change into an open ta, and before open ta we use alif. So what we do? We add an alif, then we change ta into an open ta. Atun. These are the sound plural. Note for the following plurals are irregular. Bintun, banatun, ukhtun, akhawatun, fatun, fatayatun. Okay, this is the vocabulary. Zawjatun, wife. Ustazatun, lady professor. Ustazatun, lady professor. Mustashfal viladati. Mustashfal viladati, maternity hospital. Al mir'atu, woman, the woman. Imra'atun, imra'atun. Imra'atun mean woman. Al mir'atu, when it is a definite. When it is a definite, we use alif lam, then it become al mir'atu, the woman. Plural of al mir'atu is an-nisa'u. Plural form is different root. So plural of al mir'atu is an-nisa'u. This is plural. Zawjun is husband, ammatun aunt, father's sister. Ammatun, father's sister. So this one is our second part of the lesson, and we go to the lesson. Man haula'il fatayatu ya Maryamu. Who are these young ladies? Who are these young ladies? Who are these young ladies? Haula'i, you see here, haula is plural of hazihi. Haula'i is plural of hazihi because al-fatayatu. Al-fatayatu is plural of fatayatun. This is plural of fatayatun. Al-fatayatu ya Maryamu. Who are these young ladies, young women or young girls? Who are these young girls, O Maryam? Hunna zamilati. Hunna zamilati. Hunna, just now we learned it is plural of hiya and it is separate pronoun. Hunna zamilati. They are my friend, my colleagues. They are my classmates. Akhawatun hunna. Akhawatun hunna. Are they sisters? Are they sisters? Naam hunna akhawatun. Yes, they are sisters. Man abuhunna. Who is their father? This is possessive pronoun. Abuhunna, their father. Attached pronoun, possessive pronoun. Man abuhunna, who is their father? Abuhunna, their father. Abuhunna Shaykhu Bilalun, their father is Shaykh Bilal. Their father is Shaykh Bilal. Or you can say Scholar Bilal. A Shaykh we use for the professor, for the well-learned person. The person who is well-learned, well-knowledge, we call it a Shaykh. Scholar, we can translate as a scholar. Abu Hunna Shaykhu Bilalun, their father is Scholar Bilal. Ummuhunna Ustazati. Ummuhunna Ustazati, their mother is my teacher. Ustazati, my teacher. So here hunna is also possessive pronoun. Ummuhunna, their mother. Their mother is my teacher. Okay. Aina baituhunna. Aina baituhunna. Here is hunna also. Hunna, there. This is also possessive pronoun, attached pronoun. We call it damir muttasil. The term we use, damir muttasil. Aina baituhunna, where is their house? Baituhunna, their house. Hunna here is also using for as a possessive pronoun, damir muttasil. Baituhunna, their house. Qaribun minal madrasati. Qaribun minal madrasati, near the school. Their house is near the school. Baituhunna qaribun minal madrasati. Their house is near the school. Okay. So who of you will read this one? Okay, Ausipian, you open your mic.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Man haula'i fatayatu ya Maryamu. Who are these young girls, O Maryam?
Man haula il. Man haula il fatayatu.
Man haula in fatayatu ya Mariamu. Who are these young girls, O Mariam? Hunna Samirati. They are my classmates. Akhawatun. Hunna. Are they sister? Naam. Yes. Hunna akhawatun. Yes, they are sister. Man abi hunna. Who is their father?
Abuhunna.
Uh,
Man
Abu.
abuhunna.
Man abu hunna. Who is their father? Abu hunna Shaykhu Bilalun. Their father is scholar Bilal. Ummuha Hunna Ustazati. Their mother is my teacher. Baituhunna. Where is their house?
Aina baituhunna.
Aina Baituhunna. Where is their house? Baituhunna Qaribun Minan Masdarasati. Their house near the school.
Okay, good. Their house is near the school. Okay, who else will read? Okay, Tanku. Tanku, open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man ha'ula'il fatayatul ya Maryam. Who are these young girls, O Maryam?
Again, please. Man haula.
Man ha'ula'il fatayatu ya Maryam.
Good.
Who are these young girls, O Maryam? Hunna zamilati. They are my classmates. Ahwatun hunna. Are they sisters?
Good.
Na'am. Yes. Hunna ahwatun. They are sisters. Man abuhunna. Who is their father? Abuhunna Shaykhu Bilalun. Their father is their father is teacher Bilalun.
Professor Bilal. You can say it Scholar Bilal.
Okay. Their father is Professor Bilal. Ummuhunna Ustazati. Their mother is my madam.
Okay, my
Or
teacher.
say,
My teacher.
my teacher. Okay. My teacher. Aina Baytuhunna. Where is their house? Baytuhunna qaribun min al-madrasati. Their house is closer to the school.
Okay, near the school. Okay, good. Jazakallah, thank you.
No.
Okay. Please switch off your mic. Okay. Tawakkaltu. Please open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Mon Mahulahi.
هؤلاء
Fatayatun.
هؤلاء
Ahulahi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ahulahi. Fatayatun. Ya Morihama. Who is this young lady?
who
Oh,
are
Maria.
who are these?
Who had this young lady? Oh, Mariam.
Good.
No, Zemi,
Zamilati.
Lati. They are my classmates.
Okay, good.
Uktun.
Akhawatun. Akhawatun. Akhawat.
Akawatu.
Okay.
Akawatu unno.
Akhawatun. Akhawatun.
Yes. Akawatu unno. Are they your friends?
Akhawatun.
Akawatun
Okay.
unno. Are
Okay.
they your friends? Now,
Akhawat.
Akawatu.
Akhawatun. Hunna, are they sisters? Are they
Akawatu unno.
are they
Are
sisters?
they your sisters?
Not your sister.
Now,
Not your sister. Are they sisters?
are they sisters?
Okay.
Now, uno akawatu. Now, they are my sister.
Not my sister. Not my sister. They are sisters.
No, they are sisters.
Okay, good.
They are sisters. Mon Abu Huno. Where is their father?
Man Abu Hunna. This is not min. This is man. Man Abu
Mon.
Hunna. Who is their
Mon
father?
Abu Hunna. Who is their father? Who is their father? Yes. Who is their father?
Okay,
Abu
good.
Huno. Sheikh Bilal.
Sheikhu Bilalun.
Sheikh Bilalun. Yes. Abu
Lun.
Huno.
Bilalun. Bilalun. Bilal.
Bilalun.
Yes. Bilalun.
Yes. Abu Hunno, Sheikh Bulalun. Their father is a scholar.
Scholar Bilal.
Bulalun. Yes, scholar Bilal. Umuno,
Ummu Hunna.
Hunno. Ustasa.
T.
Ustasi is my teacher.
Ustazati.
Ustasati is my teacher.
Their mother. Ummu Hunna, their mother.
Their mother is my teacher.
Their mother is my teacher. Good.
I know Betuno.
Baitu. Aina Baitu.
I know Betuno.
Baitu Hunna.
Betuhunno. Where is their house? Betuhunno Koribu min Madrasati.
Minal
Their
madrasa.
house is
Minal madrasa.
Minal Madrasati. Their
Minal.
house is very close.
Minal. Minal. You see it. Me. Nal. Minal madrasati.
Minal Madrasati.
Okay.
Their house is very close to the
Not very close.
school.
Their house is near the school.
Very near to near.
Their house is near the school. Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you, Jazakallah.
Jazakumullah.
Okay. Okay, who is next there? Please switch off your mic. Abu Ruqayya. Abu Ruqayya, please open your mic. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
نعم. بسم الله. من هؤلاء
هؤلاء
الفتيات يا مريم
هؤلاء
من هؤلاء
هؤلاء
الفتيات يا مريم. Who are
Okay.
these young ladies? Oh, Maria.
These young ladies.
These young ladies. Oh, Maria. Unna Semilati. They are my classmates. Akawatu Unna. Are they sisters? Nam. Unna Akawatu. Yes, they are sisters. Man Abu Hunna. Who is their father? Abu Unna Sheikh Bilal. Bilalun. Their father is Kala Bilal. Umuhunna Ustazati. Their mother is my teacher. Aina Baituhunna. Where is their house? Baituhunna Koribun. Inna Limadrasati. Their house is near the school.
Okay, good. Rabia Basri. Rabia Basri, open your mic, please. Suri Molida. Please open your mic.
Can you hear me? Assalamualaikum.
Okay. Please read.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man haula'il fatatu ya Maryam? Who are these young ladies?
Ayatu.
Man haula'il fatayatu ya Maryam? Who are these young ladies, O Maryam?
You have a noisy place. So Muhammad Ibrahim, please you read this one. Muhammad Ibrahim, please you open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Man haula'il fatayatu ya Maryam? Who is these girls, O Maryam?
Who are these young girls?
Who are these young girls, O Maryam? Hunna zamilati. They are my friends. Akhawatun hunna. Akhawatun hunna. Are their sisters?
Are they sisters? Akhawatun hunna. Are they sisters?
Are they sisters? Naam hunna akhawatun. Yes, they are sisters. Man abu hunna. Who is their father? Abu hunna Shaykh Bilalun.
Hunna shaykhu. Hunna shaykhu.
Abu hunna Shaykh Bilalun. Their father is scholar Bilal. Ummuhunna Ustazi.
Ustazati.
Ustazati. Their mother is our teachers.
What is my teacher? Ustazati, my teacher.
My teacher. Aina baytuhunna. Where is their house?
Good.
Baytuhunna qareebun min al-madrasati. Their house is near the school.
Near the school. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, who next will read? Who next will read? Please raise your hand. Okay. Bintu Ibrahim.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Man haula'il fatayatu ya Maryamu. O Maryam, who are these young girls or ladies? Hunna zamilati, they are my classmates. Akhawatun hunna, are these sisters? Sorry, are they sisters? Naam hunna akhawatun, yes, they are sisters. Man abuhunna, who is their father? Abuhunna Shaykhu Bilalun. Their father is Sheikh Bilal, or the learned scholar Bilal. Ummuhunna Ustazati. Their mother is my teacher. Aina Baituhunna, where is their house? Baituhunna Qaribun Minal Madrasati. Their house is near to the school.
Okay, good.
Jazakallah.
Jazakallah. Rabia Basri.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Man haula'il fatayatu ya Maryamu.
Haula il fatayatu.
Man haula'il fatayatu ya Maryamu. Who are these young girls, O Maryam? Hunna zamilati. They are all my classmates.
They are my
Akhwatun hunna. Are
they
they your sisters?
They are my classmates. Hunna zamilati. They are my classmates.
Who is their father?
Wait. You read there. Hunna zamilati. Hunna zamilati. They are my classmates.
Okay. Hunna zamilati. They are all my classmates.
No need to say all. There is nothing all. Hunna zamilati. They are my classmates.
Hunna zamilati. They are my classmates.
Okay, good.
Akhwatun hunna.
Akhawatun.
Yes. Akhawatun hunna. Are they your sisters?
Are they sisters? Not your sister. Akhawatun
Okay.
hunna. Are they sisters?
Are they sisters?
Yes.
Naam. Hunna akhawatun. Yes. They sisters.
They are sisters.
They are sisters. Man abuhunna. Who is their father? Abuhunna Shaykhu Bilalun. Their father Sheikh Bilal. Ummuhunna Ustazati. Their mother is teacher.
My teacher. Their mother is my teacher.
Aina Baituhunna. Where is
Ustazati.
their house?
Ummuhunna Ustazati. Their mother is my teacher. Ustazati, my teacher. Ustazati, this is Ya Mutakallam, my teacher. Okay. Please continue. Okay, we cannot hear. I think maybe she lost the signal. So who else will read? We have 2 minutes. Okay, so we finish our class here. Today we have a spoken Arabic class in the evening. In the evening we have a spoken Arabic class. So any of you want to join, they can join. It is 4:45. The time is 4:45 p.m. 4:45 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time. 4:45 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time. So you can change the time by using the Google, and you can join the class. And I will send the link in the group also at that time. So that time you can join. Any of you have any question, you can ask. Or you can, if you want to know about this class, you can WhatsApp me. I will send you the details about this class. Okay. So any of you have any question? If you have any question, you can open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sir, Indian time.
I just want to ask, what is the exact time?
Please one
What's
by
the time
one.
right now in Pakistan?
Sorry?
As in, what is the time right now in Pakistan, so that I can use that to convert my own time?
You check the Google. You check the Google.
Okay. All right.
You check the. You're welcome. Muhammad Ibrahim.
The Indian time is for
India time will be 5:15.
5:15. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Jazakallah. Ila liqa'i ma salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Allah Hafiz.
Vale.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Kí lorúkọ